What's happening, guys? It's David, and I just woke up recently and I looked at the phone just to see what came in overnight. And check this out. So right now, let me just pull this down. As you can see, it's December 1st and the time is 12:04. Yes, I know I wake up late, but that's because I like to sleep a lot. So check this out. At 2:29 a.m., a sale came in for $1,997, as you can see right there, which is basically 2,000 bucks. Now, here's the thing. I'm not the only one that's making commissions while they're sleeping or early in the morning. This is actually the group where I do the work and my members get to keep all the commissions by leveraging the same exact affiliate marketing campaign, literally that just generated me this exact sale. So if we go back here and I scroll down, you can see that literally 58 minutes ago, a member by the name of 𝐏𝐨𝐩𝐮𝐥𝐚𝐫, who is an international member, by the way, just had a $2,350 commission come in today in one day, which, by the way, like, this is not normal. Like, this is affiliates that are just starting in the industry don't make $2,350. Now, I'm not saying that he just started, but what I'm saying is many of my members have been complete newbies and have been still able to pull in $2,350 commissions, $2,000 commissions. This is an announcement I made yesterday on something. Here's another member. I made a video about this yesterday. Already in just a little over 60 days, did $44,050. $44,050. You can see right there. So here's what I got for you today. Today's going to be a short video because I'm still literally waking up. There's 3 steps to making this work. If you want the same exact affiliate marketing campaign that I use and my team members use to generate these types of commissions, like we're doing $2,000 almost every single day. So if you want access to this campaign, you need to join my team. How you join my team? Very simple. There's 3 steps. Step 1, click the link just below this video in the video description. I'm also going to try to leave it as a pinned comment if you're watching this on YouTube, right below the video. Step 2, after you click the link, you want to watch the webinar. Step 2 is get yourself set up with the income streams. If you've ever done affiliate marketing, you know that there's something called affiliate marketing, like URL, essentially, affiliate link. And at the end of every link, that's your unique identifier. There should be like a username or something. So you need to basically set those up. And that takes about 10 minutes to do. And I show you exactly how to do that right on the webinar. So make sure to get set up. And specifically, you want to make sure to get set up with a level called Vertex Live. Vertex Live. That's really important because just like I'm making $2,000 commissions, 𝐏𝐨𝐻𝐮𝐥𝐚𝐫's making $2,000 commissions, Garrett just made 40K, 44K in the last little over 60 days. We're all at a level called Vertex Live. Very important, okay, that you set that up. Because step number 3 is actually sending traffic to your campaign. And when you come in at Vertex Live, I actually help you with several things. First of all, we're all doing this with free traffic. Free, completely free traffic. So I have a special traffic course that I hook you up with, like, that will show you exactly step by step how to do it. Plus, I show you this on the webinar also. But in the traffic course, I go into insane detail about that. It's like an hour long, everything you need to know about generating free traffic type of video. So come in at Vertex Live today. Join my team, specifically my team. Click the link below. Join my team, just like 𝐏𝐨𝐻𝐮 did, just like Garrett did, just like a whole bunch of other people did. And this way I can hook you up with the free traffic course. I can hook you up with the affiliate marketing campaign. Listen, I even hook you up with my actual YouTube videos so you can start generating traffic from one of my best traffic sources, which is YouTube. But a lot of people don't want to be making videos because they're camera shy. They don't know what to say. They don't know what camera equipment to use and all that. Don't worry about any of that. I'll give you my videos when you come in at Vertex Live. Now, this is a time-sensitive promotion, so make sure to click the link below, see if it's still even available. I don't know when you're watching this video. Maybe it's already over. But join my team. If it is available, come in at Vertex Live. You're going to be able to earn up to $2,000 commissions, $2,350 even, And even additional commissions, like there's another $2,000 program that you get a free upgrade to. There's software commissions. There's other like ads, another income stream and stuff. And I just introduced another income stream, which I'm going to be talking about tonight. But you're going to be invited to that if you come into my team next week, because this week it's already packed. All the team members are going to see that. So go ahead, click the link below. I also want to tell you I'm running a giveaway right now for a 3-night luxurious hotel stay. All the details are in the video description. And if you're watching this on Facebook, comment down below, what's your biggest question on affiliate marketing right now? What's the one thing that you're kind of stuck with? I want to know. Okay, so comment down below, hit a like on this video. And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to the channel and take the bell notification icon, because every Monday usually I do live streams, but only people who are subscribed to the channel get invited. So all the invitations go out from the channel itself. So make sure you're subscribed and the bell icon is ticked. If the bell icon is not ticked, you're not getting an invitation. So subscribe and tick the bell icon. So this way you can get invited to the live stream. You can basically, it's like a coaching call. Basically, you come in like on Mondays, usually in the evening, and you can ask me any question you want, anything to do with traffic, affiliate marketing, anything you need help with. I'm there basically for like an hour, couple hours, answering everybody's questions. So if you want to attend that, all you need to do, it's free to attend, but you need to be subscribed to the channel. So make sure you subscribe and tick the bell icon. All right, guys, so I'll see you guys inside of the system. Go ahead, click the link just here. And if you're watching this on Facebook, also comment down below your question. And if you're interested in info about my affiliate marketing campaign, so I can hook you up with it, and how you can potentially join my team so I can help you start generating these $2,000 commissions, comment down below and I'll send you the info. Talk to you guys soon.